Hi, this sample problem is to help you guys figure out how to figure out the percent composition of a compound, okay? Now, the first step that you do is basically the same steps that you did when figuring out molar mass. You take the compound and you figure out what its molar mass is by listing out each element that is present. So we have carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. We then write out how many of each one there are. So there's, according to this, there are 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. We then multiply by the molar mass off the periodic table. Carbon's molar mass is 12.01, hydrogen's is 1.01, and oxygen's is 16.00. We get 24.02. We get, for this, 6.06. And then for that one, we get 16. We add them up. We get a grand total for a molar mass, 46.08. Then, for each element, we take it and divide the mass of that element in the compound divided by the total mass of the compound. So for carbon, we take 24.02 divided by 46.08. We multiply by 100%, and we get 52.13% carbon. Now, when I say multiply by 100%, remember that you're just multiplying by 100 and adding a percent as a unit, basically. Now we do the same thing for hydrogen. You have 6.06 divided by 46.08 times 100%. We get, according to my calculator, 13.15% hydrogen. And then finally for oxygen, we go into 16.00 divided by 46.08 times 100%, and we get 34.72% oxygen. Now, to verify that these are the correct answers, you could add these up, and you should get equal to 100, plus or minus 0.01. And if we add these up, we see that, in fact, they do equal exactly 100. So I would then go and circle those answers. And voila, I have the correct answer. That is how to figure out the percent composition of a compound.